Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's August 2nd, Friday morning, and grain markets seen some consolidation overnight. There were some bargain hunters that helped support the corn market, although right now we're setting a little bit lower on the day. Soybean market's a little higher, wheat a little higher as well. Favorable weather is continuing to pressure the corn market. Yesterday's rains, especially in eastern Nebraska and areas where they needed rain, got some good rains yesterday. There's still some dry areas around the Corn Belt, but with the scattered showers that we'll see here over the next several days, cooler temperatures continue to be favorable for corn maturity and pollination that remains. Other news, China was rumbling overnight that they may sell 1 million metric tons of soybeans out of reserve. That is believed that will not happen because they're going to be priced too high. That is expected to happen next week. We've also got the August crop report. It'll be on Monday, the 12th, a week from this coming Monday. Trade's going to be talking about that more and more as we get closer. The interest or the conversations is more about the potential yield. Trade seems to be confident now that we could see an increased yield from the last USDA report, which was 156.6 yield on corn. So that will be the conversation next week. Cash markets still are extremely important. We got cash basis on the corn at steady firm in most areas. Soybean basis also steady. Processors are playing a game where they will bid up for grain if they need it immediately and maybe over a week or 2 week period, but they're basically buying hand to mouth as they know that the supply of new crop is on the horizon. There's also been talk yesterday out of Houston that there's rail negotiations between a poultry producer and in order to get grain shipped from the Gulf of Mexico to their location. So that is also weighing on the corn market. Ukraine made an announcement last night that they will and expect to provide 120,000 tons of corn to China, the September-November time frame. And South Korea is looking for 140,000 tons of corn, optional origin. They likely won't come to the U.S. Simply because U.S. corn prices are still higher priced than the rest of the world. So we'll be watching that. But lower prices is certainly causing some improvement in demand for grains, even though it's not from the U.S. specifically. The outside markets, we've got the dollar stronger again here this morning. The gold under pressure, crude oil under pressure for that reason. In the livestock trade, news is quiet. We had cash cattle trade at 119 yesterday, steady in Kansas with last week. Cutout values just continue to struggle. Choice up 34, select down 12. Pork product, on the other hand, showed some signs of improvement yesterday at 139 higher. The cash market in the hogs, steady, weak. Some places we're still in that time frame where we do have a bit of demand and tight supplies as we go into the fall, but it is expected that we should see hog supplies increase dramatically here as we go into this last part of August into September, October time frame. So a lot of things going on. We do have the unemployment report here out in a few minutes. We'll be watching that. You can get in touch with Allendale's research. We'll keep you informed there. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, safe weekend, and I'll talk to you on Monday morning. Thank you.